Hello, good morning, children. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Any, are you just waking up?
Yes.
Okay, just coming from your bed. Yardan, and how are you there?
Yeah, we are there. Only there. Will be come.
What?
Yeah, we are there. I will be come.
You'll come. Come fast then.
Okay.
It's already 2 minutes late and you're saying I'll come. Huh? Yes, Aini. What were you going to say? Aini was going to say something, right? No. Okay. How are you?
Fine.
Yes. Today Azil is on leave and Uttara is having some network issues. She might join.
Why is sleep?
Sorry?
Why is
Yes, Yardan?
Why is sleep?
You need to sleep.
Why he hasn't sleep?
Yeah, he's not there in his place. He's somewhere else.
Okay.
Yes, how was your weekend, everyone?
It was good.
What happened to Zanubia? She's also late today. It was good?
Yeah.
You went somewhere?
Fine. Yeah.
Just fine, I need.
On Saturday, we went for a night show, but nothing really happened on Sunday.
Saturday you went for what? Went for what? Actually, I didn't heard. Are you having any issue with the speaker? Are you hearing what ma'am is asking?
We can be hear you. That is no problem. Ma'am, in Saturday, in my father's has one tournament. My father was
What did you say?
No, my father going to be referee. My father is referee. He also play football, but that was boring for me. But there was some family. There was a small kid, But I don't have any option. I was with the small kid. Then the time was play. She's follow me so much then. I will be going anywhere. She's going to be in backside.
She might like you.
Yeah, she likes children. She's one person.
How aged is she?
Do it.
Two. Okay.
Now, it's weird. Ma'am, I have to say something weird, thank you.
Yeah.
I would see random people on the street, give their names, even if I don't know their names.
Actually, can you just say in a little more louder voice? We cannot hear you properly.
I see people on the street. I give them random names, and then I start shaping them. They think they have to be a couple. I do that so many times that now I feel like I feel.
There is so many in Dubai. There are so many people.
Hello. Can you hear me properly, children? I think I'm having some network issue.
Yeah, we can be hear you.
Okay then. So that's it. So you all had a good weekend, right?
Yeah, that Friday we was going to Cornish.
Ah, nice.
Then Sunday we going.
Sunday you haven't going well.
We have one meeting for football, but it was cancelled.
Okay.
That team.
So that's it. So children, all of you, did you check whether you are done with your homeworks and all?
Yeah.
Any pending homeworks are there for you now?
I'm done with my homework. I've done so.
Just check it right now whether you have any pending homeworks or not.
Really so many cool. Ma'am, I have no pending homeworks.
Okay, good job. What about you, Aini? Do you have any pending works?
I have pending work.
Why?
I don't know.
couldn't read
I said you to submit it by last Thursday, right?
this time.
Look, ma'am, they're showing to look.
Okay, no need of sharing. It's okay. Okay then. So tomorrow we'll be having assembly. Who all will be doing what? You can just
Assembly?
choose.
I just
Yeah.
you can choose what
I
I
know.
What? It's already time. I have to leave by now. Hello? Hello? Children? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So ma'am is leaving right now. You can Sat sir will be taking over. So can you just please say fast what all you will be doing? One or two things.
and my favorite you will choose.
You can be say what?
So Aini can go for Aini can do a prayer. Hawa will be doing thought for the day, and Yardan will be doing a storytelling. Okay.
Afterwards, the surah recitation or a dua.
Sorry.
We shouldn't do a dua or a surah recitation.
Tomorrow prayer. You
Tomorrow,
have to do. Yes.
Tomorrow, assembly.
Yes. Okay then. So children, carry on. Bye bye. Ma'am is having another class. Sat sir will be taking over. Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye. Sir, you are there, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.